Welcome to NCERT Class 5, Chapter 4. Does it look the same? Part 4. Which fan will look the same on a 1/3 turn? In this, they are asking regarding 1/3 turn. We have already seen 1/4 turn and 1/2 a turn. Now 1/3 turn. So 1/3 turn is nothing much. Similarly, at circle, if we take, we divide it circle only, not on circle, anything. If you take, divide it into 3 equal parts, then the rotation from here to here will become 1/3 turn. Now this all colors are same. In this one is a different color. Now let's do the 1/3 turn for this. Yes, is it same? Yes, because all three colors are same. But for the next one, when we do the 1/3 turn, what happens? The color from top, it will go to the side. So which is same here? Fan A is same. I'll draw the shape of the 1/3 turn. The shape is given. They're asking us to make 1/3 turn and put it in that box. Okay, children, understood? Easy now this is. Next, 1/6 turn. The next point is 1/6 turn. 1/6 turn means if we divide it into 6 equal parts and movement from here to here. See here the arrow marks, it is pointed here to here. Like if the star is there, it is divided into 6 parts. Yes, no. So if it will move from here to here. Okay. Now for example, I'll show you. Have taken that shape and now I'm doing it a 1/6 turn. Understood what is the 1/6 turn? Good. Now, practice time. Look at the following shapes. Draw how will they look on 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. These are the shapes which are given for you, and they're asking 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. So 1/6 means from here to here. 1/3 means from here to here. Okay. For easy understanding, have kept a dot on the top so that you can recognize easily. Okay. Now, the first star. 1/3 turn, little bit difficult. You will feel this for the star and the circle one. The remaining one will be easy for you. I have kept a dot so that you will identify the shape from where it moved. See all the objects I am doing 1/3 turn. You can see the 1/3 turn. This is the practical 1/3 movement I am showing. In your books you have to just draw how it looks. Now let's do the 1/6 turn. Only it will move from here to here. That circle was here, it moved to here. For that sake, have kept the dot mark. Okay, so that you will easily identify that. Okay, the next star shape and the next shape. Okay, now when you see this, this remains same, but the inside triangle got changed in 1/6 turn. For flower, everything is same. For star, it is also same. But in this, the shaded region here, 3 shaded region is there. So now this design, it got changed to top here. So there is no change in 1/3 turn. We are getting changes in 1/6 turn. Understood? Now, look at the following shapes. Find out which of these figures look the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with a tick mark. Which are the ones which will not look after 1/3 turn? Mark them cross. We have to do 1/3 turn, and then which are not same, we have to mark cross. Which are same, we have to mark tick like before. Each and individual shapes I'll take here. I'll do the 1/3 turn. See, is it same? No. Next shape. Let's see, is it same? It will be same when you tell me it is not same. When it will be same? When all the colors are same. Next, as this is a triangle, it is same. Okay. Now, next triangle. This is also same. As I am giving you the picture here, the shape of the triangle may differ, but when you draw, it will be same. Okay. Now, next shape. See what happened? It is remaining same. The next shape. While looking, you may feel that it is same. But is it same? It is not same, because here the pointer was on to top. Now the pointer is like here, it's a straight line. Understood? So it is not same. Try and change the shapes below in such a way that they look the same on 1/3 turn. Like we did prior. we kept the circle inside, then or if we do half a turn also it will be same, yes or no? Similarly now they are asking us make change the shapes, the given shapes, so that if you do 1/3 turn also it will be same. First I have taken all the shapes separately and I'll show you the 1/3. So 1/3 what happens, it is coming down, so it is changing. Now this 1/3 the colors are changing. In this 1/3 what is happening, again different colors are there, that why it is changing, but only this is same. Now here what is happening, changing. So what did you understand, when colors are there and dots are there it is changing. So now you bring your creativity part again. So we have to make the shape such that if it should be same means where the circle should be, if it is in between, yes or no? If I keep it in between, then if I turn it also, then 1/3 also, then it will be same. Now coming to this, how they have taken different color. So if you take 3 in a triangle form, because if it is a triangle, I told you earlier, if you turn also it will be same and it will be same. So this is the way we will get it, ma'am. Circle dot should be in between, and here alternatively or yellow and blue I should take, because here the colors are taken. If I take this orange blue, then if I turn it will be same. Here if I keep the dot in between, then it will be same. I hope you all understood this. Yes, is there any, if you have any problem regarding anything, just put down in the comment section. Okay ma, we have done with this chapter, does it look same? Thank you, and I hope you all understood the concepts clearly.